Dear students, see the next question, NEET 2017 from Mechanical Properties of Solid, 11th standard. See that the bulk modulus of a spherical object is B. It is subjected to uniform pressure P. The fractional decreases in radius is asking. Okay, so please listen. Now, initially one spherical object is here. Spherical object. Okay. Now we have to apply the pressure uniformly in all the direction. Okay. So now after applying the pressure, so the size changed as like this. Okay. So due to the pressure, so this is original state. After applying the pressure, uniform pressure. After applying the uniform pressure in all the direction, this volume changed as like this. Okay, so in this case they are asking what is the fractional changes in the radius. Fractional changes in the radius means that is delta r divided by r. That is asking in the question. Okay, listen. Now we know that this is related from, that is a bulk modulus. So we know that bulk modulus formula. Bulk modulus, you know, that is bulk stress divided by bulk strain. Okay, so that stress we can say that is as usual the force per area, then divide by what is that strain that is change in volume divided by original volume, but you know that volume is going to reduces. So here we can get one, we put a minus sign. Okay, so this term, you know, it is a force acting perpendicular to the surface, that is, you know, pressure. So we can write P is equal to P divided by delta V divided by V. Okay, right. So here that minus 10, this volume is going to reduce. Okay, so for I'm going to calculate only, that is fractional decreases in the what is it, radius. So I don't bother about this minus sign now. Okay, right. Now therefore we can write delta V divided by V is equal to P divided by B. Okay, right. We know very well in the unit and measurement you studied. For example, V is equal to, that is a volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 by r cube. Okay. Then we know that relative error concept, that is change in volume divided by original volume, we can write as this what is it, numbers will not come, then pi value not come, then this r cube we can write as a fractional, that is 3 into delta r divided by r. Okay, so now we can replace this value. So instead of delta V divided by V, I can write 3 into delta R divided by R is equal to P by B. Okay. Now they are asking what about the fractional decreases in radius. Okay, the fractional decreases. So the decrease is only meaning here. It is a negative sign. Okay. So now they are asking that the fractional changes in the radius. Therefore delta R divided by R is equal to P divided by 3B. So this is the required answer. So this is relative satisfied with P divided by 3B. That is option C.